Oh yeah? Beepa. Weep! Beepa! Beepa! What happened? You're not going to say weep? Beepa! Weep! Weep! Yeah, good girl. Is that a struggle? Was that a struggle? I'm trying to teach you how to say your name, but you're stuck on wheat. You're like, wheat? So we can't get you to say your name? Say, Beepa! What you doing in there? It looks cozy. Beepa! Wheat! Beepa! Peekaboo! Yeah! Good job. Cute little toes! Cute little toes! Oh my goodness! I love the toes! Yes, I do! Yes, ma'am! Miss America! Yes, ma'am! Those fancy toes! Miss Fancy Toes! Ruby's still in the bathroom on the sink flying around. I think she wants to take a bath. Turned the water on earlier, but she was not ready. Now it looks like she might be getting ready to take a bath. I'm getting them a water fountain today, I've decided. It'll make it easier than me having to walk all the way over here and turn on the sink for her just to not decide that she doesn't want to take a bath. So I really want to get a parrot bathtub. You ready, Furby? You gonna come down and take a bath? Here, let me make sure the water temperature is good. It's kind of cold. You checking it out? You getting ready? Come on, Miss America. What in the world? She's like over there pecking and shaking her tail. I just woke up, so my makeup's smeared. Trying to stay out of the video so I don't ruin it. Alright, Furby, your water's ready. It's perfect. It's a perfect temperature for you. You ready? Come down.